Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Sai to the guy. Okay, Sai to the guy. Okay, Sai. Eh, this intro sucks. Eh. My name is Sai to the guy. Welcome back to another video. Well, today I messed up. Yeah, I messed up because the stupid headphones didn't pick up my mic at all whatsoever. So I guess I'll play another game besides the game that I was playing before this, which was Egg Hunt. This game right here. So, what other game is there to play? Hmm. 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 Ooh. Oh, welcome to Blockfort. Oh. Never mind. Okay. What other game is there to play?
20 minutes later.
Oh, I know. Flood Escape. We'll play some Flood Escape. Alright. Let's get this underway, shall we? Alright, let's play. Ooh, I like that music. Let's just hope it's not copyrighted, alright? Oh, there's no music. Alright. So basically, how you play Flood Escape is you escape the flood. I know, best explanation ever, right? Alright, let's go. Let's just go to the video. The music's so intense. I like it. I like it. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Just escape. Oh, this is so tense. Music. Alright, it's just too intense for me. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, let's go. Do we? Oh, okay. Well, that sucked. I guess we're gonna have to go to another mode besides medium. Huh. Alright, let's go to easy. Cause you know, I'm a noob at this game. It's been mad long, you know? No excuses. These are not excuses at all whatsoever. Not at all. I definitely suck at this game, you know? Alright, let's go. Let's play. Alright, what do you do? That girl's lucky. She has a spring magicka. Let's go, jump. Let's go. Jump here. Warning. What the heck? No, stupid little. Oh my gosh, damn it. I totally suck at this game. I wonder what other things are there to do. Oh, there's more things to do. Oh, training. Ooh. Let's do some training because I suck terribly, right? Yeah, I do. Oh, I thought you were gonna fall off. Oh, okay. Reaction. Let's do this reaction. Whoa. That scared me. Blue. Okay. Okay. So tense already. Why'd the train so tense? I'll get ready. What left? Green. Oh, damn it. Let's try it one more time. Let's go. Green. Okay. Get ready. What color? Blue. It's too tense for me. Anxiety is real. Alright. Let's go. Red. Yeah, boy. Let's go. We got this. Yeah, we got this. With this. Red. Okay. That's easy. That's too easy. This is not gonna end. It's not gonna end, I'm pretty sure. Let's do code cracker. Oh. Okay, let's do this. What am I pressing? Ooh, I got that part. And this. Oh, Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, boy. Agility. Let's go. We got this. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Next one. Next one. It's like a hobby, basically. It's basically like a hobby. I wish the water would come up. That would be more of a training, right? They got nothing on me, the water. Yeah. Fight me, water. Fight me. Alright. Agility is done. Reaction is done. Cold cracker is done. What else is done? Nothing? Oh, I wonder what's behind this wall. Ooh. Oh, are we back here? Oh, okay. Sure, why not? I guess we done every single... Oh, no, no, no! Get me in! Oh, damn. Since we done every single training, I'm pretty sure we're gonna do really, really good, right? We're gonna do really, really good. Alright. Let's wait. How long's gonna wait?
3 weeks later.
Ooh, yes. Medium by myself. No, I'm not doing it by myself. God damn, I waited for so long. Come on. Ah, come on. I want it easy. I want it easy. I suck at this game, guys. I suck at this game. Don't blame me, okay? Don't blame me. Oh, it's starting. Yes. Yay. Okay. How long has that been? 3 hours or so? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I can't hold time. Oh, let's go. We got this team. Let's try to one flood escape. Please. Lord. Be on my side. Please. Let's go do this. Oh my. We got this. We got this. We're not gonna fail. We're not gonna fail. We ain't gonna fail. We are not gonna fail. Oh, the thing's open. The thing's open. No! 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 Well, I tried, guys. I went through all the training. I tried so hard. I just can't do this. I guess this game is not meant to be for me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna go and, I don't know, kill myself somewhere. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.